Hello everyone and welcome to a new video for a Pepe price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Starting with the daily chart, we can see on Pepe we have already finished an impulse in orange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this impulse claim a wave A or a wave 1 to see in the next months, right, or days. So if we are having a correction, definitely after an impulse, we are looking for 3 waves down, and these 3 waves are common for both scenarios, whether we have an A or we have a 1, because we are looking for a wave 2 or a wave B, which both have 3-wave pattern, right? And looking closer here, what's going on already, we can see that a wave A has already formed, and basically a wave B as well, and we are looking for further down for a wave C in a zigzag. Inside the wave A, we can see 3 waves, right? Down, 3 waves up, and we are looking for an impulse towards the downside, or it can be even taken as 5 waves expanded diagonal, which is much more likely because it's better to have 5, 3, 5 for a zigzag. In both ways, we are looking for an impulse to the downside. Now, looking further what's going on inside, if we go to the 1-hour chart for our bearish scenario, we can see that, okay, we might have topped here for the wave B, and we are looking to a 1, 2, 1, 2 in green as well, 3, 4, 5 as diagonal, finishing the wave 3 of the 1, 2 in red, and then moving to a wave 4 and 5, finishing this correction towards the downside in 3 waves down. And yeah, so that would if we go back here, that would not be enough, of course. That would not be enough to reach, of course, the wave 2, right, for an impulse. So if we are looking for a new impulse as 1 and 2, we need to reach almost this area at least, right, where the fib levels are for a wave 2 almost in this area. In this box, okay, so we need to reach at least this area, of course, to say, okay, we can move further towards the upside with a bigger impulse. Now, of course, it is also possible that we only can reach a higher fib levels, okay, in case that the bull trend or the Pepe has a very high volume of bullish scenarios, right? So that could be also a case. So to be watched, right? If we go back to the 1-hour chart here, we can see that the 1.6 fib level for this impulse downside is very much in confluence with oh my god, this is too big. Let's move to the 4-hour chart. Here we go, and make this smaller so we can see the fib levels. Okay, so we can see that this is exactly in confluence with the 0.5 fib level of a wave 2, which it might be, yeah, good enough to move on towards the upside. So in that case, if that happened, we might have seen a running flat in a B, and a C, because the C, it could not reach the A or lower, right? In that case, which is mostly a little bit a rare case, okay? It is preferably to finish a zigzag. However, this could be a scenario as well, finishing here in a running flat and moving further to the upside, because this is a fib level as well, valid fib level for a wave 2, okay? However, we're gonna watch what's gonna happen here. Of course, when we see a retracement, if we see 3 waves, and then move down a little bit with a lower high here, then that means this is a correction and we are moving further towards the downside. If we see a 5 waves towards the upside, then 1, 2 towards the downside, then we are expecting a continuation towards the upside, and this is your confirmation here where you can enter your trade. Of course, no financial advice here, but this is how it can be treated safely and with less risk. Okay, so that was the update for Pepe. I hope that you liked the update. If you did, please press the like button. If you did not subscribe for the channel, please subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.